has blessed every child with a unique souvenir. They just unwrap their packages at different times. Every child is special. His eccentricity and individuality manifest in different forms and disciplines. And there are some who are exceptional and exclusive. The physical attributes and learning abilities of these children need special care to such an extent that a personalized program of special education is mandatory. Koshish Special School, an institution which caters to the needs of mentally challenged and children with associated disabilities. Koshish Special School is a social entrepreneurship initiative taken by Umrao Singh Education Society, registered under Society Act 1860. Koshish Special School is attributed by thoroughly structured arrangement of physical settings, teaching procedures, special equipment, and other interventions designed with the sole aim of helping learners with special needs to achieve the greatest possible self-sufficiency and success in their day-to-day activities, eventually aligning them with the mainstream. At Koshish Special School, we understand the requisites of exceptional children who experience difficulties in learning and adapting with the vicinity and environment. Thus, we are there with a practical-oriented, functional educational program tailor-made to enhance the overall quality of children with mental retardation, autism, cerebral palsy, hearing impairment, multiple handicap, and other complicated neurological conditions. The unique program is punctuated by skilled training, environmental awareness, time management, and basic literacy. A well-structured curriculum for critically challenged children to incorporate in them the essential skills of self-reliance, social interaction, and self-care. A full-time designated occupational therapist who conducts a close analysis of the child's profile, imparts training for daily activities, sensory integration, and muscle re-education techniques. The program also facilitates children with speech-related disorders with a specialized speech and language trainer, which not only stimulates and fosters language but also works on feeding program and pre-speech activities. The promoters of Koshish Special School deeply consider the fact that classroom education in isolation is not enough to nurture the optimum social and behavioral skills in a mentally challenged child. Their visualization is mirrored by a plethora of extracurricular activities that constitute an integral part in the school curriculum to yield a synergetic effect on child's development. The program at Koshish Special School envisions a sense of comprehensive self-reliance, dignity, and self-respect among its students. Thus, it also features vocational training classes where students above the age of 14 years inculcate fine skills of making daily use products and other handicraft merchandise. The faculty at Koshish Special School is handpicked through a rigorous and well-defined recruitment procedure which is based on multi-point criteria such as experience and exposure in the special education arena, ability of translating the subject curriculum into simple and learnable format, their communication, social, and temperamental skills. Also, regular faculty development sessions are conducted to ensure the upgradation and continuance of apex quality of special education in the institution.